Alright, it's looking like that time again. Some leather working. Here's what I have in mind today. I'm going to make myself a coin purse. Now, I saw this online. I didn't get the right dimensions, but visually I made my own template out of paper. Shout out to the paper crew. So, fold once, fold twice. It looks nice. So, let's see if that works. That would be the button, snap-on button. Maybe do some stitching, or if I want to put rivets or eyelets, whatever I want to do. So for this project I chose this type of leather, a little more flexible than my other stuff. I think the other stuff is way too thick, so I already pre-cut it, and smells good too, by the way. So here's what I have in mind, like that. Something like that. Sorry about the lighting in here right now. I gotta do something about that. I have the spotlight, but that background noise you hear, that humming, that's my surveillance cameras. I set up a fan to keep the unit cool so it won't never overheat, because down here in Florida things get hot, and that's what you're hearing. Anyways, let's start this. Just marking where the stitching is going to go. And I start and I finish. Very easy to work with this leather. I think I might go another tooth down. I don't know. Let's see here. No. If I go another one down, it's going to go around that crease. So I gotta leave it that way. Alright, I forgot to grab my clamps. Actually, well, I have small clamps here. Let's go with the green one. Give me some good luck on this project. Alright, so one right here, whoops. There. That one here. Let me see something here. Yeah, we'll go with that. Okay. Oh yeah, I went through like nothing. Butter. Let's see here, I went here, so, oops, 1, 2. Not sure what color thread I should go with. What do you guys think? Black? White? Multicolor? That was just a joke with the multicolor. It would not match. I'm thinking white on this one. Yeah, I'll go with white. Let's see how that turns out. Okay, here we go. It's not a bad little project. It's actually nice and easy. Simple. I'll leave it like this already, and I can start threading. Yeah, actually no, before I even do that, I don't want to do that, because I gotta put my holes in here now for my snap-on. So let's figure that out. What I'm gonna do, put that here, take that one, fold this over, and that's gonna tell me where I want that button to be. So it's gonna do it by eye. About right about here. You know, it's that thing with doing it by eye. You're always never satisfied. Come on. All right, here we go. So that's that, and that's that. Yeah, it's close enough. Go off the other side. All right, so let me get the punch for that. I forgot what size it was. So we need some grommets, no, buttons and punches. All right. And that wasn't even the punches. Oh, I think it was this one, right? Oh, hell no. Way too big. I think it was that one. Shout out to the eBay message. But it's not bad news. So was it this one? Shit. Yeah, it was that one. Yeah, that was the one. I picked the right one up first. Alright, get this out of the way. So, there. Yeah, I need some better lighting in here for sure. Not satisfied with that lighting situation. So I think I'm gonna go like that. Let me see. That's not gonna match up here, but that's the way it is. It's fine. Right there. Right there is the spot. And I marked the leather a little bit with those clamps. I might have to figure something else out with those. So now, put this hole here. See how that looks, huh? Yep, beautiful. Alright, so I remember this is the first time me making this. It just seemed so easy when I saw the picture. I was like, you know what? I'll do that in a couple of seconds. Which is turning out to be nice right now. Okay, that's that, and I think this is the one for that, right? Yep. Oh, wait a minute. No, it wasn't. It wasn't that. That was the other one. It was the smaller one here. This one goes here. Yep. This one goes here. Wow. No, it wasn't. What the hell? I guess it was this one. Oh, I know why. Because I'm doing the opposite way here. See, I'm messing up already. Alright, so this one here. And then the one goes snaps into, which is this. Alright, that's looking better because the button goes up top. That's what it was. Shit. Almost messed that up. Okay, let's see. Was it this one? This one goes here. Okay. It's got a point. Ah, shit. Here we go. Where is it? I did have the right one at first. Shit. And one day I'll be a little more faster. But right now, slow it is. That's looking pretty good, I'd say. As long as we don't wobble, move, or this and that. Always double check. Alright, yeah, it is what it is. So this, yeah, it's here. Oh yeah, I remember this last time. It's going to make this a little bit bigger from the back. so this can sit in here. Yeah, like that. And then I think I turn that around. Then what's this? And place that here. That. No, it was this punch here. Oh man, I just freaking crimped it. Did I mess that up? It would have been like that, no? Well, you know what? Good thing it fell, because I crimped the damn thing. Actually, that was the crimped one that I did from last time, and I fucked it up. Yeah, I fucked this up. Hold on. This doesn't go like that. Oh, here it is. Jeez. Yeah, I messed that up. Totally. Wow, I look like an idiot, huh? Hey, you know what? It is what it is. It was this tool. Jeez. Oh, it's starting to crimp a little bit. Going too hard. That's good. Alright. That. And then it's going to snap in like that. See how that's going to look. Wow. I'm actually impressed with that. This is going so easy, I think I'm going to make the second one right now. That way I have two available. Why am I having a hard time with the second hole? Kidding me? There we go. Finally. Now I have to fine tune all the edges and all that. Looking pretty good. Alright, now I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put my logo, or if you want to call it a logo, I'm not even sure. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm going to line up this ruler up top best as I can. And I'm just going to score a tiny little line right here. No going back now. I think I should have wet the leather, but yeah, that'd be alright. I did it this way, dry, the other day. Or that last project, if you guys have seen it. It worked out fine. Just one of the letters came down a little. Now, go like that, get that line out of there. Maybe close it up. There we have it. It's almost centered. You know what? I have one more thing I want to do on it. It'll be on the left hand side. I just thought of it. It's that little stamp I came up with just because I had it in my toolbox. Alright, for this one I am gonna wet it a little. I think I'm gonna go with, let's see here. Man, this lighting is horrible. Right about there. Yeah, not bad. Just gonna darken it up a little more. I'm gonna go right over that stitching. I don't know why.